you. That one's right here for your impeller.
Okay.
And you can see it's all painted right now, so the first time you go to change that, it might be a little tough because it's painted.
Okay.
But that's the longer and the bigger of the two shear bolts.
Okay, the 5/16.
Yeah, so if your impeller stops spinning, like you notice you're not throwing any snow,
right?
Check that shear bolt.
Okay.
Your other shear bolt, you can take this plate off here. You can see it without it, but you can take the plate off. There's a nut on the back of this.
Okay.
But the actual shear bolt is right here on this
kind
piece.
Up underneath here. Get a picture and see if we can get something there. Close enough.
Yeah. So,
okay.
I mean, if you look right down here,
yeah.
that's those two plates. So your
okay.
shear bolt's right there. To access it easier, like I said, there's a nut on the back side of this. You can take that off and you can access that shear bolt a little easier.
Got it. So there's a couple of tools that you should carry on the tractor. Sounds like. Yeah.
Half inch.
Yeah. Couple of them. Yeah, so. All right. Locking them up. Yeah. Wow.
Okay.
She's a beast.
Now to take it off.
Uh-huh.
Then of course you're going to do everything
kind of in reverse, yeah.
So hold on.
Lock that, okay.
Take these hoses out.
Right? Yeah. Yeah, you want to leave the others connected because they're going to lower it.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. And unwrap all the lines.
Are those on the back part going through the same little pigtail things as the red and blue ones?
Yeah, the little loops.
Yeah, because I know the front one is just going to be the yellow-green ones from the front.
Correct.
Right, but the back one?
Yeah, they go through the same loops and then plug in. So those holders will hold four lines. Yeah. Cap everything.
Now, you'll set that down. Go ahead and start the track.
Okay.
Go ahead, start it.
Yeah. Come forward just a little bit. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. Just drive forward.
Yeah, don't catch the door.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let it. Did you disengage that pin?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
So let it down until I tell you to stop. Yep. Push down on it.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
Well, then you're going to disengage this.
Okay, the drive line.
The drive line.
That one's just a collar on there.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. And set that aside.
Yeah. Put your little holder up there.
Now she can go all the way down with it.
Okay.
Go a little bit further. A little more. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can back up a little bit. Yep, back up.
Okay.
Okay. I'll
Lift it up a little.
Okay. What's that? No, that's good. So I forgot to show you something. So
Okay.
I shut it off.
All right.
It's nothing real big, but well, I'll show it to you.
Okay.
On this side there.
It's right here.
This is what your
Oh, okay.
kickstand.
Okay. Ah,
Okay.
right.
So then when you're going, you lock that up into place. That thing's
Okay.
going to be up like that.
What is it actually putting out? Just a little plate? Okay, got it.
Okay.
Yep.
So that's using position.
Okay.
Store.
Yeah, okay. Got it.
Okay. So,
So you've got it in storage
yeah,
position.
Yeah.
it's in a storing position now. So then, start removing your pins. So start with these middle ones first.
Which he didn't put this one in just for the
Correct.
demonstration.
Yeah. Okay. That one. Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna get that one. Yeah. Get the safety off of it. Pull it right out.
Okay.
Okay.
Put these in your favorite spot where you're never gonna lose.
Yeah. We'll get a small toolbox for all the pieces. Yeah, I'll probably have one. Yeah.
Okay. So now go ahead and start it up again.
Was there only one of those?
Yeah.
Yeah, he didn't put the other one in.
But it goes
Same place on the other side. Yeah. Start unhooking,
Unhooking.
or at least getting them out of
Yeah.
their holders. So what does it do? It goes behind this
Yeah,
one,
go ahead.
in front. That one. Okay, that's pretty easy.
Okay.
All right.
So now you clear that.
Okay.
Put a little pressure down on it. Yep. Okay.
Then you can put those pins out. Sort of like the loader. You're just kind of taking the pressure
Yeah.
off. There we go.
Okay. So now you have to probably lift up a little bit.
Yeah, that one's not coming. No, she's still locked in. No, that one's
Put
locked.
that one back in. This one you might, until that paint wears off, you might take this one off first.
Okay. Yeah. Now you need to come down. Yeah. Almost.
Okay, that's good enough.
Yeah.
As long as it catches. So go ahead and lift it up a little bit.
Yeah. I'll let you do that one. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, it just needs to be get a little
So now,
clean on it.
Push that one.
There we go.
There you go.
Okay.
So now you can lift it all the way up. Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
It's
The subframe moved down to the ground.
now let's this is where you gotta hold
The drawbar.
you're gonna pull the drive line off.
Oh, right. Okay. So yeah, you got to get the drive line and then the drawbar, right?
Yeah, drive line. Yeah.
Yeah. You want to come out and see? You can hop out the other side. I think. Yeah. So he disconnected it from the back first, drops that down, and then pulls it out.
You can leave it in there
Uh huh.
for right now and I'll pull it out of there.
Right.
Because when you back out, of course, it's gonna expose everything.
Okay.
So you're just leaving it on there then, right?
Just leave it in the center.
Yeah.
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 All you gotta do is you're not.
So you're just disconnecting it from the tractor.
That can stay.
That can stay hooked up.
Okay.
Just for storing purposes in the summertime,
Yeah.
I would take it.
Yeah. Doesn't need to be there.
But like before we even hooked up, that longer drive line could have went onto the front.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So
Oh,
then you're
I
driving
see.
over, so then you're not carrying it under there.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would have been a lot easier, I think. Okay, now you're moving the drawbar out.
Yeah.
Watch my feet here in case the hydraulics give up.
And you can pull this out
Uh-huh.
just because.
Yeah. Get it out of the way.
Now,
Wow, that thing is a monster, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Holy crap.
so she can start it now, and she can push down on it, and drop it back. And
Oh, and that'll kind of kick the back end?
right. And then she can back out.
Okay. start. Yeah, start up. No, you're just going to move the loader stick. So push forward. Yeah. Pull it back down a little.
Right there.
Yeah. 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 Okay, now it's on the ground.
Yeah, now it's on the ground. Now you'll.
Okay. So yeah, 2 hydraulics. Top those off. Put the covers on.
Go ahead and start.
Shut it off. And then wiggle the stick all around. You're just dumping all the pressure.
Okay.
Otherwise, I've heard that it's a bitch to put them back on.
They are.
You don't take pressure out. Yeah, sometimes putting back on it's like.
Yeah. Fighting with it.
And if you want, I'd bring gloves because you're gonna get.
Yeah,
You'll get oil.
we actually brought some today just in case you made us do it.
We're just gonna leave the drawbar out right now, Justin.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Just make sure it comes back to us. I know.
What's that? Yeah. Well,
Yeah. And those are just plastic caps.
yep.
Yeah.
Just slide on.
Slide 'em
They
on.
kind of snap.
Oh, they do. Yeah. And it really doesn't matter, I guess, which one goes on what. It's just whichever's handy. Pretty cool.
Any other questions?
Well, not about that thing, I think.
Okay.
You got any, sure? It's a little bit of a,
It's a learning curve.
yeah. We'll do it a few times before we figure it out, I'm sure. Put you on speed dial. How do I do this? What?
The biggest phone call that we always get is the rotation meter. That's because they forget
To push it all the way over?
Yeah, because it works fine one way,
Oh,
but it doesn't. You gotta.
yeah, you got to push it into that detent.
That seems to be the biggest call. It just doesn't work.
Like your regeneration, the biggest thing with your regen, don't punch the thing around. Raise your RPMs up. Keep it running at a little bit higher RPM.
Yeah.
That kind of stuff like
That's
that.
it's smooth.
No, regen.
I
That's
know, but he said
RPM.
RPM.
oh, RPM. Yes, sorry,
Yep.
I missed that part. Yeah.
All right, we'll throw the loader back on.
Okay.
And then as far as Tony,
Yeah.
I'll show you here real quick. Get under the hood.
Yeah. Oh, okay. That's where the hook is, and then you pull it up from there. Okay, gotcha. And it's got a cylinder. That's nice.
Check the oil. It's right here.
Oh, that's handy. Okay.
You don't have to put it
Where do you fill it? If you need some.
right under this cover. So take a 12 millimeter. Take
Okay.
the cover off, and it's right there. Here.
Okay, so it's kind of down inside there.
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully, it won't need any for a little while.
Oh yeah. First service 50 hours.
Right.
Okay. And then next.
Yeah. When's a good time to call for that? Like when we have about 45 on it, so we kind of get you.
You got 60 on it.
Oh well.
Yeah, if you go over by a little bit, it's not the
fine?
end of the world. Yeah.
Okay.
But when you're getting close to 50 hours, give us a buzz, and then
Yeah.
that way we can get you scheduled.
It's scheduled, yeah. So if we know we're going to be using it for another 5 or so, call you a little early.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Perfect. Well, I'm going to back out and we'll head out and put the loader back.
Okay.